to the biggest dick in town. Keep it up, Danny boy. How about that, huh? All right, be on with your business. More envelopes later. So, who's the over 40 crowd?
No one, just some ghosts. Could you stay close, because I might need to. Merry Christmas, Julia. Would you like to hold baby Jenna?
Yeah. May I?
No, you may not. Emily, will you take Jenna to daycare?
Oh, so I take it you two are Maddie's parents. I promise you that your granddaughter will get everything that money can buy.
Great. So she can grow up to be just like her mommy.
Oh, I don't think we should hope for miracles, do you? Wouldn't want to pressure the child.
Ram is gonna marry me, and then he's gonna legally adopt Jenna once we both get divorced.
Well, that's why we came, Kimber, because we thought you'd like to know. Matt's had an accident. He's in the hospital, and he's been badly burned.
Making meth, right? Well, thank God Jenna was with me.
You're not fit to be near that child, Kimber, and you know it.
Oh, what, and you're a good mother? Why? Because you went to college? Or was it because you've never had to work a day in your life?
Because I was busy raising a family.
Yeah, you were lousy at it.
You robbed him of everything, Kimber. His identity, his money, his future. You're not gonna rob him of his child.
Don't you think that the little girl's gonna be a little bit better off with Kimber and me rather than some punk who's willing to be filmed taking it up the ass so he can score a little bit more booyah?
That's my son, you dick-sucking pimp.
Didn't you guys know that Matt worked here? Oh, yeah. Ram cast him in First Time Berries as a bottom. That's the one.
Stop it, Kimber, you're lying.
That's the only thing she's good at except for spreading her legs.
Yeah. Well, my daughter's going to have everything. She's going to have designer clothes, gourmet food, and two parents who love her. I mean, what's Matt going to give her? Drugs? So stop trying to rescue my child when you can't save your own. Could you please escort these two grandparents out of here?
Hey! Merry Christmas.